The idea sounded exciting, creating a giant robot that could enter through the magical doors and do the tasks monsters used to do. This robot was designed to be fast and efficient, programmed to either scare or make children laugh, depending on the situation. The idea seemed perfect in theory, as this robot would save time and effort for the monsters while increasing energy production from children's laughter. At first, everyone was excited to try out the new robot, thinking it would be the perfect solution. The problem, however, things didn't go as planned. Despite the advanced technology used to build it, the robot had a major flaw. But instead of making the child laugh, it started producing strange noises and movements, leaving the child confused and anxious. Mike, watching from behind the scenes, exclaimed, "Oh no, this isn't what we expected." In every room the robot entered, it mixed up the roles of scaring and making children laugh, causing utter chaos. Was turning into a complete mess. Chaos in the doors. The robot began moving unpredictably, jumping between magical doors, which caused havoc in the door system. Doors were opening and closing randomly, and some children faced strange situations when they saw the robot appear and disappear from their rooms. The chaos spread to the factory itself, where the robot was moving uncontrollably, disrupting everything in its path. Mike, chasing after the robot, shouted, "It seems this robot has gone crazy." The plan. Both Sulley and Mike realized they needed to work together to stop this robot before it caused even more chaos. They devised a clever plan that relied on their strengths. Mike was known for his intelligence and tricks, while Sulley was all about his strength and cheerful spirit. Mike decided to reprogram the robot using one of his innovative ideas. The final showdown. As the robot continued to move aimlessly, Mike managed to access its control center. He started pressing buttons on the control panel and said, "If I can disable this system, we'll put an end to this mess." Slowly, things started to improve, and they gradually regained control of the situation.